Kiddolodian.
Guess the birds with missing vowels. Easy level. Duck. Ducklings are loving siblings and communicate with each other before hatching. They are super social animals. Ducks have regional accents. Eagle. Eagles are bold, cunning, and intelligent creatures. Eagles hunt like professionals. Eagles can see 8 times farther than humans. Dove. Doves are symbols of peace. Doves are excellent navigators. They are pretty hardy birds and can live in desert areas, tropical forests, mountains, and woodlands. Penguin. A group of penguins in the water is called a raft, but on land they're called a waddle. The oldest penguin fossils are 62 million years old. Swan. Swans are huge. Trumpeter swans are the largest native waterfowl and the heaviest flying birds in North America. Baby swans are called cygnets. Swans can sleep anywhere. Kite. Kites belong in the Accipitridae family of birds of prey. They live all over the world except Antarctica. They spend time soaring and gliding in thermals in search of food. Peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on earth. The peacocks you know are Malay. They're the national bird of India. Their crests are actually important sensors. Dodo. The dodo, primarily a forest bird, is the most famous of all the creatures to have become extinct in historical times. Last dodo was seen in 1662. Quail. Quails are extremely shy birds. Quails can fly at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Quail are known as ground-dwelling birds, and they nest on the ground. Crane. Cranes are powerful flyers. Cranes are the world's tallest flying bird. Throughout Asia, the crane is a symbol of happiness and eternal youth.